Hello and welcome to Tech and Trick. Quick Create Collection is a feature in Canva that allows users to quickly create a set of designs based on a specific theme or template. Go to Canva and select Social Media option. Then click on Quick Create Collection. It gives you multiple categories of design. You can select of your choice. I am selecting Instagram post, your story and Facebook post. Then click on Continue. The next screen will ask to add main text and additional text to your design. Once you have successfully added text to your design, click on Continue to go to next step. Now it will ask to add any image to your design. As this is optional, let's click on Continue. Now you have to select the template of your choice from the given options. Just scroll down and select the most appropriate template for your posts. Once you have selected your choice, click on Continue to proceed further. In next step, Canva will ask to select font style and theme color to give the final touches to your designs. Keep changing the colors till you are satisfied. Once you are done with your design, simply click on Finish. All of your designs will be generated. You can either download them, or you can see them in your collection for further editing. See you in the next video.